Hello and welcome to the section 3 of the course Traffic Filtering. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about various filtering commands inside Wireshark, and I'm going to explain you the working of these commands. So let's start with the first video of section 3, display filters. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about, first of all, what is display filter and what are the various display filter commands available in Wireshark that we are going to cover here in this video. So now what you can do here, you can start Wireshark and capture traffic inside it. So guys, first of all, you can start Wireshark. So you can search Wireshark inside your Windows and you can click and open it. Now this is my interface, so double click here and grab some packet from network. Here it is, right? All right, let me stop the capturing here. So click here and we have done it, right? So this is basically, I've captured few packets inside Wireshark. Now this is display filter. You can see here, this is display filter. Basically you can filter your traffic. For example, if you have 10,000 packets inside Wireshark, so how you can find out a specific packet or specific kind of traffic inside Wireshark? So you have to use display filter, right? So that you can find that specific kind of traffic inside Wireshark. Now let me provide information about some basic filters. So basic filter is, for example, if you want to filter the packets which are generating from your system, right? So you know your IP address. So my IP address is 192.168.0.8. Otherwise you can check your IP address, open command prompt, type ipconfig and get your IP. So the command is ip.src double equals to, because you can see this is the source, packet generation, destination where packet are going, protocol, length, information about packet, time, right? So this is source. I want to simply filter this source and I want to find out the traffic which is generated by my system. So I will type ip.src double equal to my IP address. So my IP address is 192.168.0.8, hit enter. And now you can see in the source, you can only see my IP address, which is 192.168.0.8. You can see in the source. This is source column and you can see the source IP address. Similarly, if you want to check that how many packets I got, so you can simply replace src with dst. dst means destination. So ip.destination, ip.dst double equal to the IP address. Now you can hit enter. Now you can see in destination, you can see my IP address. So these packets I got, and if you change it to src, so you will get the packets which your system has generated. Got it? Now if you want to get those packets which is related to your PC, so your IP address can be in source as well as in destination or in any part of it. So what you can do here, you can type here ip.addr equal to the IP address. Now you can hit enter. Now you can see here that in this packet, the first packet, you can see my IP address in source. And if you can check this packet, so in this packet, my IP address in destination, right? So it doesn't matter whether I'm inside source or destination, the packets belongs to my system. All right. So you can get those packets which are generated by your system or which you got from network. So that can be filtered using ip.addr. So ip.src means source packet, ip.dst destination, ip.addr anyone, either source or destination. All right. So this is basic information about the IP address, right? So you can also filter the protocols, like if you want to filter the TCP protocol, so you can type here TCP and hit enter. So you will get information about TCP. If you have any HTTP packet, then you can type here HTTP. So I don't have any HTTP, that's why you can see that there is no HTTP. If you want to get any ARP, so type ARP. Similarly, you can get information about HTTP or UDP, right? So that's how you can filter traffic. So guys, these are the very basic filters, very basic display filters inside Wireshark. We will also talk about advanced filters and we will cover it in the next videos. So I hope you have learned about the basic display filters inside Wireshark.